1 plus 3 gives us 4. And then 3 times 4 equals 12. So 12 divided by 12 is just 1. But this answer is not correct. Because according to the order of operations, which is Pemdas, P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponent, M and D stand for multiplication and division, and A and S stand for addition and subtraction. First, we have to do parentheses, then exponent, then multiplication or division, and then finally addition or subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division have equal priority, and we have to work from left to right. And the same applies to addition and subtraction. In this expression, we have one division, one multiplication, and one set of parentheses. Inside these parentheses, we have one addition. Here, we have a multiplication because in mathematics, when a number is placed next to parentheses, it means multiplication, and we usually don't write the multiplication sign for brevity. Okay, so according to Pemdas, first we have to do these parentheses, then this division, and then finally this multiplication. If we do this multiplication before this division, it is wrong. So, first we have to do these parentheses. Inside these parentheses, we have 1 plus 3, which equals 4. So, we have 12 divided by 3, then multiplied by 4. Now, in this expression, we have one division and one multiplication. As I said, multiplication and division have equal priority, and we have to work from left to right. So, here, first we have to do this division. 12 divided by 3 gives us 4. So we have 4 times 4, which equals 16. And this is our final answer to this problem. The correct answer is 16. If you enjoyed this explanation and want to master more math tricks and avoid common mistakes like this, make sure you subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you never miss the next lesson.